Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include parking assist system, keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.